sky so big and bright. The sun shines down with golden light. It keeps us warm throughout the day and helps us run and laugh and play. Clouds are fluffy, white and high. They float like pillows in the sky. Sometimes gray and full of rain. They bring us puddles once again. At night the moon is big and round. It lights the sky without a sound. And twinkling stars like tiny dots shine in the night in little spots. Birds fly by with wings so wide, and airplanes